shit, 1112. 1112, buddy. That thing's smoking, bro. That thing is smoking, bro. What's up, MOPAR fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day. So, as you can tell, it's loud. Race cars in the background. We are at Rockingham Dragway in North Carolina at the Rock, and we're gonna be racing in the modern Hemi shootout. It's gonna be awesome. And we got my son's Dodge Challenger over here. We got Zorro. Alright, my son's about to be coming up here in the 1150 class. This is what we got. Got him in the back here. Purple Charger. Then we got Matt Green and his Charger, all graffitied up. Then we got another Challenger. Not too many in the 1150s, it looks like.
Take camshaft on the top of 1150 of 1152.
Holy shit, 1112. 1112, buddy. That thing's smoking, bro. That thing is smoking, bro. Wow. No. All right, here comes my son and Zorro. We need a qualifying pass, so we need to get 1150 or higher. We keep going too fast. That's it, yes. Now we hit record, it's in 360. Well, I had that G by a mile, and I just kept pedaling it, letting them catch up, and letting them catch up, and then right at the end, I let them catch up too much, and I didn't have enough speed to stay ahead of them. Oh, I would have destroyed them if I stayed in it the whole time. Did you hear me? Wrong. Yeah. He trapped 140. Yeah, that thing's fast. Did you put a tire in the trunk? We got my son coming up in Zorro in 1250 class. This is the first round of eliminations. Hopefully Zorro can do it. Let's hope, hope, hope. Come on, Zorro. Come on, baby. We got Black Challenger on Black Challenger crowd. Stock block 5.7 with a Tomahawk and a TorqStorm versus a Black Challenger 392. Come on, baby. Come on. Hook, hook. Come on. Oh, fuck. Damn. What'd he run? I can't see it. Damn it, he still didn't get